Hello, in this video I'm going to take you through how we can help with data subject access requests using the Secure Identity DLP solution. So, in our solution we can search for data, we can find it across multiple sources, and then we can move it into a fixed location, which would then allow you to use that data to respond to users or external people saying what data you hold about them. So to do that, what we'll do is we'll set up a policy for this. We're going to set up a dictionary. So a dictionary is a collection of terms which allows us to search for a set of data. So for example, let's set up a subject access request for me. So I'm going to set this up. I'm now going to say what terms I want to search for. So search for my name, for example. Maybe I'll also search for a different spelling of my name. So my full name. Then maybe a national insurance number or a customer reference number. So these are all sorts of bits of data that an organisation might hold about a user. And in this description, this is just to provide a reason why this is on here, so if another user comes and opens this rule, they can tell exactly why this exists. So subject access request for Chris Cassell. So with this, we've now created what we need to search for. So we've created that dictionary. Now I'm going to apply it to a policy. So I'm going to add a policy with that DSAR rule. I'm going to add that particular dictionary here. So if I type in there, add that. Now I can suggest whether I want this to be case sensitive. I don't. I want to find those references wherever they exist. And I can also say how many hits of that data I want to find. It may be that I only want to find documents who've got 2 pieces of that data in to show they're more relevant than just a name. In this case, we'll keep it to 1, so we'll find any document that's got any of those hits of data, so my name, national insurance number, customer reference number, wherever that may live. So saving that out, I now deploy that policy, and that's now pushed out to all of those different endpoints. So now we can come in and actually say where we want to discover that against. So the first place we can look is local endpoints. So I can come in here and we'll scan all the hard drives, all the subfolders, we'll scan that entire machine basically. And we'll even include images, so we'll do an optical character recognition scan of scanned PDFs or print screens or anything else that's turned that data into an image version as well. And we could select what we want to look for, so I can, in this case, if I just want to do a subject access request, I'm going to do my DSAR search. It's going to search for all file types. We can specify file types if we want to speed things up, but in this case I'm going to leave it to all file types. I want to find that data wherever it lives. And I'm not going to worry about when that file was created. I want to look for everything, as that's what the subject access request rules come under. Now when I've done that, I want to make a copy of that data. I want to marshal it somewhere, so I'm going to copy that to one of my servers so that I can actually find that data. And then we're going to put in an appropriate username and password so we can actually do that, so we can connect to that, and we can leave that data in a folder where we can go and find it on that server for responding to that later. So that's really what we'll be doing to search for that data on endpoints. We can go beyond endpoints though as well. We've got other discovery targets. We can look on file servers. So I could make a file server rule in exactly the same way. I could run a search for that DSAR across the file servers and move that data to a known marshalling location. I can do that with emails. This is for the email server itself. When I actually search those endpoints, I'll be searching people's mail archives natively, and across SharePoint, databases, or cloud platforms such as Office 365 or G Suite or others along those lines as well. So that was an example of how we can search for that data, locate that data, then marshal that data into a known location so you can accurately and quickly respond to those and avoid your data protection authority having to ask you how you're going to deal with these sorts of issues. Thank you.